everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I will be doing knotless braids. I've already washed my hair from the day before and it's already been prepped. So let's go and head into this video. So what I'm doing now is just taking out the twists, but they're actually quite wet. Well, not that wet, but they were wet. So I actually had to go in with the hairdryer diffuser function thing. As you will see, I didn't really know how to use it, but you know, still tried it. So the hair is pretty much dry, so what I'm going to do now is prepare my hair for the partings. You won't see that clip here because I actually had to get my mum to do it. So the next clip you will see is the braids. So I managed to do a few braids. It actually took me a while to perfect these. I had to keep restarting, but got there in the end. But I can't lie, it took me a very long time to get to this point, but you know, it's worth it. Okay, so I've nearly finished this side of my head, but at this point I'm just tired because I've been doing this for ages. And as you can see, I messed up at one point, so I had to go back and actually take it out. What's the bottom, you know? 205, oh my gosh! You know, I actually thought I was gonna finish it in one day, but I thought wrong, so I had to leave it for the next day. Okay, so that's half my head done, finally. So I got a few sections left. So I've only used one pack, just one pack. This is the last piece left. I feel like I could possibly stretch it to do the rest of my hair, but we'll see. I probably, if anything, I'll just probably go into like one extra packet, but we'll see. If not, hopefully I won't have to, because then that'll be great. Then there'll be like 5 more of these hairstyles to come, because I have 5 packets. I literally bought 5 packets. If I knew it was £3.99, this is a good investment. This hairstyle costed me basically £3.99 plus my time. Okay, so this is what I'm actually using to create the parts. It's Murray's Edge Wax. I think it's really good, but it's the only thing I've used, so I have nothing to compare it against. So I'm putting the edge wax onto my partings. This actually is quite oily, so I don't think you really need any oil for your scalp once you use this, but it's up to you. If you like what you see, holla at me. And I'm nearly done. Okay, I mean, it looks okay. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. So this is the final result, and I actually didn't do too bad. Like, for my first time doing braids, I'm actually proud of myself. Like, this is actually not that bad. Obviously it's not all straight, and you know, there's a bit of, you know, uneven parts, but you know, I didn't do too bad. So So I'm just applying the Murray's Edge wax to my edges just to keep them flat when I lay on the headscarf. So here ends the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, but also turn your post notifications on because I will be back with more content. So make sure you're staying tuned and I'll see you in the next video.